This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Michael Miller. Back and better than ever. Just completed total renovation. Country contemporary style home with quiet mountain tranquility, 05 from DT bedroom. 5 BRs and 4 boss, 3 ensuites. New chef's kitchen and cabinetry, granite stainless steel appliances with adjoining butler's pantry. Large eat-in center island light-filled owner's suite on the main level. 2 separate closets. The master bath offers a walk-in shower, corner tub, and dual vanities. The multi-purpose living area on the second level is great for a home office, gym, kids' bedrooms play area, or craft room. Thoughtful updates, new roof, HVAC systems, expanded back deck. This home is perfect for full-time living or a family's mountain getaway. Mountaintops community offers all paved roads, city water high-speed internet. Quick and easy access to Highway 515. For more information